Hello everyone, welcome to the SQRT channel. In this video, we are going to talk about another problem from functional equations. In this problem, we have a function f defined in real numbers. We know that f of x plus f of 1 over the third root of 1 minus x cubed equals to x cubed. We are going to find f of negative 1. Before moving forward to talk about the solution, as usual, please make sure that you pause the video to think about this problem, and we will see you in about 15 seconds. To solve this problem, we are going to start with using x equal to negative 1. For the first one, we have f of negative 1, which is the one that we actually want to find. Now let's focus on the second term here. First, let's find out what we are going to have for 1 over the third root of 1 minus x cubed. If you put negative 1 here, you're going to see that the value is going to be 1 over the third root of 2. So in total, we are going to have f of negative 1 plus f of 1 over the third root of 2 equals to negative 1. So here we have everything that we need to, but we don't know what value we have for f of 1 over the third root of 2. So we are going to start with using x equal to 1 over the third root of 2 to see what we are going to get. Let's start with that. Again, for f of x, we are going to have f of 1 over the third root of 2. Now we are going to find what we will have for the second term. If you put x equals to 1 over the third root of 2 inside 1 over the third root of 1 minus x cubed, you're going to see that at the end we will have the third root of 2. At the end, we are going to have f of 1 over the third root of 2 plus f of third root of 2 is equal to 1 over 2. Now here we have f of 1 over the third root of 2, but we don't know what we have for f of the third root of 2. So in the next few minutes, we are going to talk about how to find that. Basically, we are going to put the third root of 2 as x, and we will take it from there. To do this, again, we need to first determine what we have for the second term. Let's start with that. And using x equals to the third root of 2, you can see that we are going to end up with negative 1 for the term that we have here. So at the end, we have f of the third root of 2 plus f of negative 1 equals to 2. Thankfully here, we have everything that we need. If you don't have everything that you need to continue this approach. Now we have three equations. Let's see what we are going to have for unknown variables. We have f of negative 1, we have f of the third root of 2, and we have f of 1 over the third root of 2. So we have three variables and three equations, and we can find what we need to find. Here we are going to find f of negative 1, so I'm going to subtract the second one from the first equation. Here you are going to end up with f of negative 1 minus f of the third root of 2 equals to negative 1 minus 1 over 2, which is minus 3 over 2. Now if you take that one and then merge it with the third equation, which is f of the third root of 2 plus f of negative 1 equals to 2, you can find out that f of negative 1 is going to be 1 over 4, and that's our final answer. Here I would like to emphasize that previously we had 2 other videos that talk about functional equations. Make sure that you find those and watch those videos too. I'm going to add those videos in the description of this video. Thanks for watching the video. If you would like to see more puzzles, math-involved activities, and problems from different math competitions and Olympiads, please subscribe to this channel. This is the SQRT channel. Hope to see you in the next video.